What's up guys, AK with dcctrain. This is really cool project, and I'm not doing motor conversion every day, especially for Marklin. This is kind of decoder swap. I have two parts on dcctrain live channel. Link will be in the comment, and I put it also in description. Two parts when I start working on that locomotive. So this is Marklin original with Marklin Taurus, one of my favorite locomotive. This is Marklin, they call it soft drive, soft sinus drive, something like this. See this? Contacts. Sounds complicated. Complication of the maybe board bringing more complexity. I don't know, for control. So I don't have a lot of history. I got it all separate, and then customers send me that replacement kit. Foul harbor motor here, so I did modifications. You can watch the videos. Original Lux Sound version 3 MFX decoder. There are not a lot of sounds on those electrical locomotives. We'll see if it's performing with the motor very good. I'll keep it. So right now I'm going to show you how it's working. One trouble I have from the beginning, I didn't know what kind of profile to use for motor control, and I figure out it's in the video. So right now 40 kilohertz frequency, and kind of middle of all parameters for back EMF control and some other parameters. Works great. I didn't adjust any acceleration, deceleration, so that's from ESU profile for, I believe this is PIKO motor, or maybe I just adjust something from default. I'll definitely read it and save it in my library. So if you'd like to have that file, adjustment your decoder, welcome to use it. That's very, very nice. Impressive. All right, that will be all for today. Thanks for watching, supporting business. If you'd like to support channel, please join membership. Have a good one. Bye bye.